If you need to log in to your Hostinger email, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're checking messages for your business, personal use, or a project, Hostinger makes it simple to access your email through Webmail. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to webmail.hostinger.com. This is the official Hostinger Webmail login page, and it's the fastest way to access your email inbox. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form where you can enter your account details. In the first field, type in your full email address associated with your Hostinger account. Make sure you enter it correctly, including the proper domain name, because even a small typo can stop you from signing in. Next, move to the password field and enter your email password. Be careful when typing it, especially if you have caps lock on or if your password includes special characters. If you've saved your password in your browser or password manager, you can use that to make the process even faster. After you've entered both your email address and password, take one quick look to confirm everything is correct, then click the login button. Hostinger will verify your details and, if everything matches, it will take you directly into your Webmail inbox. From there, you can read your emails, reply to messages, organize your folders, and manage your mailbox like normal. If you run into any trouble signing in, double check that you're on the correct webmail.hostinger.com page, that your email address is typed properly, and that your password is current. If needed, you may also want to reset your password through your Hostinger account panel. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can log in to Hostinger email and start using your inbox right away. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.